The 4% retirement rule has guided millions to financial freedom, but there's a problem. New research shows it might fail spectacularly for millennials. If you're planning to retire on 4% withdrawals, you need to hear this before it's too late. The math has changed, and your retirement could be at risk. Let's start with the basics. The 4% rule came from the Trinity Study in 1998, which analyzed historical market data and concluded that retirees could safely withdraw 4% of their portfolio in year one, then adjust for inflation each year, with a 95% chance their money would last 30 years. So if you had $1 million saved, you'd withdraw $40,000 the first year, then adjust that amount for inflation annually. Simple, right? Here's why this rule is crumbling for our generation. First, we're living longer. The original study assumed a 30-year retirement, retiring at 65 and living to 95. But millennials retiring at 60 or even 50 could need their money to last 40 or 50 years. That's a massive difference. Second, we're facing a different market environment. Interest rates on bonds, traditionally the safe part of your portfolio, have been historically low for years. When the Trinity Study was conducted, 10-year Treasury bonds yielded around 6%. Today, they're hovering around 4.5%. That's a huge reduction in your portfolio's income-generating power. Morningstar released updated research in 2023 recommending a 3.3% withdrawal rate for a 30-year retirement with a 90% success rate. That's a dramatic drop. If you were planning on that $1 million portfolio generating $40,000 annually, the new math suggests you'd be safer withdrawing just $33,000. To maintain that $40,000 lifestyle, you'd now need $1.2 million saved. That's $200,000 more than you thought. Let's run some real numbers. Say you're 30 years old, earning $70,000 a year, and you want to retire at 60 with $60,000 in annual spending. Using the old 4% rule, you'd need $1.5 million. But with the more conservative 3.3% rate, you actually need $1.82 million. If you're currently saving 15% of your income in your 401k with an employer match, that's about $13,000 annually. Invested at an average 7% return over 30 years, you'd accumulate roughly $1.25 million, still short of your goal. So what do? Here are 3 actionable strategies. First, adopt a dynamic withdrawal approach instead of a fixed percentage. This means withdrawing more in strong market years and tightening your belt during downturns. Vanguard's research shows this can increase your success rate by 10 to 15% while maintaining lifestyle quality. In practice, this might mean withdrawing 4% when your portfolio is up, but cutting back to 3% during bear markets. Second, create a tax-efficient withdrawal strategy. This is huge and most people miss it. You likely have 3 buckets: tax-deferred accounts like 401ks, tax-free Roth accounts, and taxable brokerage accounts. The optimal strategy is typically withdrawing from taxable accounts first while doing Roth conversions in low-income early retirement years before required minimum distributions kick in at age 73. This can save you 6 figures in taxes over a 30-year retirement. Third, build a pension-like income floor using I-bonds and high-yield savings for 2 to 3 years of expenses. I-bonds are currently yielding 5.27% and are inflation protected. Keep your emergency expenses in high-yield savings accounts like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank, currently offering over 4%. This gives you flexibility to not sell stocks during market crashes, which is what actually kills retirement plans. Here's the empowering truth. Understanding these numbers gives you power. If you're 30 with 30 years until retirement, increasing your savings rate from 15% to 20% means an extra $335,000 at retirement, assuming the same return. That's the difference between struggling and thriving. If you're 40, you can still make a massive impact. Maxing out your 401k at $23,000 annually for 20 years at 7% growth builds $1.05 million, and that's before employer matches. The 4% rule isn't completely dead, it's evolving. The real lesson is that retirement planning requires flexibility, tax strategy, and realistic expectations. Start with a 3.5% withdrawal assumption, build multiple income streams, and create tax diversification across account types. Run your numbers annually and adjust. The millennials who thrive in retirement won't be the ones who blindly followed old rules. They'll be the ones who adapted to new realities. That starts today with understanding the real math and taking action. Your future self will thank you.